Well, it's a Dodge Challenger with a Hemi and a manual. What more could you possibly want to know?
Okay, so let's go over a few vital statistics first. V8, Hemi, 6.4 liters, 6-speed manual. This is pure theater, a show that ignites when you hit the start button and only ends when you want it to. The Challenger has been around now for the past 10 years, and sure, it hasn't really changed much, but doesn't need to. What more could you want from a muscle car? The shape still melts hearts like it did in the 1970 original. The sound stirs ears from a mile away, and the drama and emotion smiles last for an eternity. That's what makes a muscle car a muscle car. This ultimate sense of pride. It doesn't matter where you're at. Even in traffic, you just think to yourself, it's okay. I've got a Challenger. It makes you feel like the coolest kid on the block.
So you want a muscle car? Well, this is it. This is the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. It's a 392 cubic inch V8, the famous Hemi. It's got 475 horsepower, a lot of torque. It's got a 6-speed manual down here. That's what, for most people, that's what really matters. Hemi plus a manual. This is old school in the most new school sense. I mean, driving this around, I feel like I should be chasing Steve McQueen in front of me. I'm the bad guy. I feel like the villain in here. And that's cool. I want to be the villain. I don't want to be the nice guy. I'm in a Challenger. I'm listening to that behind me. You don't get that in other cars. You do not get that in other cars but a Challenger, a proper muscle car. This isn't a pony car. This is a muscle car. This is the real deal. The ride's comfortable. It's a nice place to be. It's quiet in here. It's remarkably easy to drive too. Clutch take-up is really smooth and easy, not even that heavy. The gear change, precise. You can really, you're able to tell when it's in gear. It doesn't feel like complete rubber. Not like a knife in butter. It's a real mechanical linkage. This feels like a car.